It finally arrived. This is the Nokhu Pack Rack. And you can get two of these. This is the 30-inch version. There's two of them, 25-inch and a 30-inch that they offer. You can basically get two of them side by side for about 60 inches total width to create a bed platform, or you can get just a single one to also create a bed platform. So we're gonna do the review on it, see what we think, and hopefully it's gonna help me organize the back of the truck a little bit. There's a lot of different things you can do with this to help you organize all of your overlaying gear that you might have. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got. I will say it is definitely not very light. It's definitely on the heavier side, so just keep that in mind. I want to say it weighs about 40 pounds. So hopefully that doesn't hinder the organizational skills too much. Let's see. Whew. All right. There she is. She's open. Let's see what we got. So this is expandable to a certain length, basically wide enough so that you can sleep on it like a cot. It has the instruction manual. This is basically what it's going to look like. So works as a single sleeping platform that's 30 inches wide. These slats you don't need to use on it, but you can space them as you want to, and we'll set it up here shortly. Let's see what we got. I must say it is pretty sturdy, definitely on the heavy side like I mentioned, so let's get up closer for you so you guys can see that. So that's about the width of the legs. I was trying to figure out online what the width of these legs were. I could not find that information, but they have the information of how much it extends. I think it's up to 72 inches if I remember correctly. So I guess from there you could put it in any orientation and put these slats however you want to on there, and that creates a bed as well. So kind of a two-in-one. You can use it for storage, put stuff underneath. As you can see, I have a lot of bins, so I plan on putting the bins underneath this towards the back side of the truck. So I can put stuff underneath and I can stack stuff on top. That's the main reason I got it. The other reason I got it is because you are able to sleep on it as another bed platform, so I thought that was kind of cool. I'm too tall to sleep on the back here, so I can't exactly lay lengthwise in here. I'm 6'2" for reference, so definitely too small for me, but I got it mostly for storage. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'll show you guys what that's gonna look like. All right, so this is what it looks like fully assembled. It comes with 6 different feet. I'm about to show you that, and it comes with 2 extra poles, and that's actually for the extension on each side. So when it's completely out, and you're using it as a bed platform, you can basically put one there and then one on the opposite side for extra support. And these are extendable up to 14 inches. These are the different options here, and a little collar to tighten it up once you set it up. And I'll show you the little feet. So these are the feet that it comes with. You could put this on the bottom. You can see they adjust. They're basically just some big rubber feet. It's probably really good for gravel or any kind of surface that you want to put it on. That just screws directly into the bottom of the legs, and then this leg screws onto this side here for extra support, to give you the idea. But this is fully extended as you see it. They advertise that you can use it as a table as well if you want to take it out. As you can see, it's just enough to be able to sleep on as a bed platform. So I'm just checking that the legs are locked up before I lay in this thing to show you. But like I said, I'm 6'2" for reference, which is about 74 inches. So let's see. So not too bad. Obviously I overhang a little bit, or I can move my head up a little bit, but at least you understand how long it is. So if you're interested in getting one and you're about my height, you know that you'll fit. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it inside the back of the truck. It's fully extended down there on the legs that I told you, about 14 inches tall. So I gotta figure out configuration and what's gonna work the best. Other than that, you can throw stuff directly on top of the slats, and you can use these for tie down points if you want, bungee cords, whatever you want. But we're not gonna use it extended this far out, so I'll have to adjust some of these slats, but I'll show you once I get there. Well, this gives you an idea of what I carry with me, some of it, not all of it. I'm gonna do another video of my camping setup with the whole truck, but so far this rack is pretty impressive. It's sitting inside of a 5.5 Tundra bed right now, as you see it. The little rubber legs fit just perfectly between the ridges that I have in the bed, and I got it as centered as I could. So next up, I'm going to put each slat on there evenly spaced, or however I can do that. I'm going to throw my gear and some bins on top of there, and use whatever area I can underneath as well. See how I can set it up. I actually do have a tape measure, so I just wanted to make sure that I measure the legs, because like I said, that information's not online, and I was trying to figure that out to see how I was going to do the orientation inside the back of the truck. But it's about 36.5 inches from leg to leg, in case you need that information. I'll be right back after I get the orientation somewhat organized. It's very solid though. This isn't tied down or anything, but it's just sitting between the ridges of the truck bed now, and then these are extended out. Once these are extended out with the slats on there, the Velcro I think is going to hold everything into place. Very nice design. All right, so far I got all the plastic slats on there. Try to adjust them as evenly as I could for now, but you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to use all the way underneath and all on top. You know, it's going to give me a lot more area. So super duper solid. It's really nice. Okay, here it is assembled with all of my gear. I'm pretty sure this is all going to change at some point. Just gives you an idea of how much you can fit in there. A lot fits underneath. On the side, I have an air pump. On the back side there, there's my chair and a hammock as well. But I still have all this room, you know, got all that space to work with. I'm definitely going to have to get some tie downs, some straps to lock this stuff down. But so far, I'm definitely happy with the way it sits inside the truck. I feel like it's going to help me a lot more for organizing the truck. So if you're thinking about it, this gives you an idea of what it will fit like inside of a Toyota Tundra. This is a 2021. Alrighty, so finally the Nokhu Pack Rack is inside the truck. I think it's definitely going to help me with organizing my gear and all the stuff that I typically bring, because I'm a glamper. So if you have a lot of gear and you need a solution to help your storage, you can see what it's looking like back there. I'm just gonna do one. You know, with a 5.5 bed, you're very limited with space and what you can bring. And also you have to somewhat take into consideration the weight, you know, as well, that you're hauling in the back of your truck bed. But I think it's a great product. It's a very solid rack. If you're not into building your own things, I think it's an easy solution to give you at least a head start to help you organize your gear. So let me show you one more time what that looks like. So it is completely all the way extended up, which is up to 14 inches, and there's a lot of stuff underneath it, and as you can see, there's still a whole lot of room on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm looking forward to doing more product reviews in the future, so I can give you guys the information. I'm typically the type of guy that always goes to YouTube to watch reviews and check out what people are using to help me, you know, better organize myself or make it easier to go camping. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.